Welcome once again to Language Lounge, where words have style, grammar gets groovy, and learning is a vibe. Before we dive into more fun, let's rewind and refresh. Here's what we covered last time. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership, but they do not repeat the noun. Example, that book is mine. How possessive pronouns are like possessive nouns. Just like saying Emma's pencil, you can switch to that pencil is hers. Pretty cool, right? Same meaning, just a different way to say it. Two forms of possessive ownership. Independent possessive pronouns. These stand alone and show possession. Examples mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Example, that notebook is mine. Possessive adjectives. These come before a noun. Examples my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Example, that is my notebook. Key differences you need to know. Possessive adjectives always go before the noun. That's my jacket. Possessive pronouns stand alone. That jacket is mine. Practice time. We flexed our grammar muscles with a few fill in the blanks to practice using possessive adjectives and pronouns correctly. If you missed the last episode of Language Lounge, go watch it now. Catch all the cool tips, clear examples, and real talk about possessive pronouns and adjectives. It's a must watch before you move on. Let's begin our journey back again. Common confusion. It's versus its. They look the same and sound the same, but don't be fooled. Both its and its are pronounced the same way, even though they have different meanings and spellings. That's what makes them tricky. While they sound the same, their uses are very different. Its versus its, the classic mix up. Let's break it down nice and easy. Its with no apostrophe is a possessive adjective. It shows that something belongs to it. Example, the dog wagged its tail. Here, its shows possession. The tail belongs to the dog. Its with an apostrophe is a contraction for it is or it has. Example, it's raining outside. It is raining outside. In this case, its is short for it is. Please note, possessive pronouns are never written with apostrophes. So remember, it's possessive shows ownership. No apostrophe. It's, it is or it has. Apostrophe, contraction. Now let's see its, a special case in possessive pronouns. So here's something interesting. You know how possessive pronouns like mine, hers or theirs can stand on their own? Well, its is different. It rarely stands alone like the others. Instead, we usually see it in the phrase its own. This combines the possessive adjective its with the word own and it adds emphasis. For example, the little puppy could drink milk on its own. This tells us the puppy did something independently, all by itself. Quick tip for you. Even though its shows possession, it usually doesn't work like the standalone pronouns mine, yours, hers. Instead, its is more like an adjective. It modifies a noun in a sentence. Example, the robot completed its task efficiently. Here, it tells us whose task, the robot's. So remember, its is possessive, but it doesn't fly solo like the others. It works best inside a sentence as a part of a phrase or before a noun. Finally, let's take a quick look at the breakdown of pronouns categories. This recap will help strengthen your understanding of everything we have covered so far. Ready? Let's go! Subject personal pronouns. Function used as the subject of a sentence. Who or what does the action? Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example sentence: she runs fast. She is doing the action. Object personal pronouns. Function used as the object of a verb or preposition. Who or what receives the action? Examples: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Example sentence: they called us. Us is receiving the action. Possessive pronouns. Function: show ownership, used without a noun after them. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Example sentence: that book is mine. Mine shows ownership. No noun needed after it. Possessive adjectives. Function: also show ownership, but used with a noun following them. Examples: my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Example sentence: that is my book. My describes the book. The noun comes right after. Here's a quick overview of personal and possessive pronouns by person. This chart shows how pronouns change based on person, who is involved. First, I or we. Second, you. Third, he or she or they. Number, is it singular or plural? Function, how is the pronoun used as a subject, object, or to show possession? Color coded for easy learning. Each form is color coded so you can quickly spot whether it's a subject, object, or possessive. Note, it's a special case. It shows possession but isn't used on its own, like mine or yours. Use this chart as your quick reference guide anytime you need a refresher. Next up, practice time. Let's do a quick check-in. Fill in the blanks using the correct possessive pronouns. Ready? Let's go. First one, these spectacles are blank space. John's. Since they belong to John, we use his. Let's move on to the second one. The shoes belong to Amar. They are blank space. Again, Amar, he. So the shoes are his. Third one, the book belongs to Ananya. It is blank space. Ananya, she. So the book is hers. Fourth one, the house belongs to Shah family. It is blank space. One family, they. So the house is theirs. Fifth one, this bicycle belongs to you. It is blank space. You, yours. Last one, we sit on this table every day. It is blank space. We, ours. Quick recap. We use possessive pronouns to show who owns something, and we do not use a noun right after them. Do you want some more exercises to help you build your confidence with possessive pronouns? Ready? Let's dive in. Choose the correct word, possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. First one, is this blank space pen? Think, is a noun coming after? Yup, pen. So we need a possessive adjective. The answer is your. Is this your pen? Let's move on to the second one. That phone is blank space. No noun after the blank. We need something that stands on its own. The answer is mine, a possessive pronoun. That phone is mine. Third one, these shoes are not mine. Are they blank space? What do you think? There is no noun after they. You got it. We use a pronoun here. Correct answer, yours. These shoes are not mine. Are they yours? Fourth one, we packed up blank space things after the picnic. Spot the clue? Things is the noun. So we need a possessive adjective to describe it. The answer is our. We packed up our things after the picnic. Do you want some more? Feeling confident? Or ready for a challenge? Let's keep the fun going and test your grammar game with another round. More blanks, more thinking, more learning. Ready? Say yes if you're up for it because the next set is coming in hot. Yes, let's keep the energy up with this next set. Time for round 2. And this one's just as fun. Think carefully. Are we looking for a word that comes before a noun or one that stands on its own? Fifth one, that jacket is blank space. Think, does the blank come before a noun? Nope. The sentence ends there. Correct answer, his. It's a possessive pronoun standing alone. Sixth one, they took blank space dog to the vet. There's a noun right after dog. We need a possessive adjective. Correct answer, there. Seventh one, that blue car is blank space. Is there a noun after? Nope. We need something that can stand alone. Correct answer, there's a possessive pronoun. Eighth one, she forgot blank space homework at home. Noun alert. The word homework comes right after the blank. That means we need a possessive adjective. Something that comes before a noun to show ownership. Correct answer, her. She forgot her homework at home. Great work. Let's do a quick pulse check. How many did you get right this time? Drop your score in the comments below. Got them all? Say all correct. Got stuck somewhere? Let me know. I have got your back. Wanna push it further with a lightning round? Ready for the next one? Let's roll. Let's keep it going. Circle the possessive pronouns. Underline the possessive adjectives, determiners. First one, I like your idea, but I think mine is more practical. Your comes before a noun, possessive adjective. Mine stands alone, possessive pronoun. Second one, is this your pen or his? Your describes pen, adjective. His stands alone, pronoun. Third one, he took his notebook but forgot mine. His is used with notebook. Mine replaces the noun, so it's a pronoun. Fourth one, her story was more interesting than yours. Her is followed by story, adjective. Yours is a standalone pronoun. Fifth one, our garden is smaller than theirs. Our comes before a noun. Theirs stands on its own, pronoun. Sixth one, I lent her my jacket and she lent me hers. My, adjective, with jacket. Hers replaces a noun, pronoun. Seventh one, John and Maria live with their parents and we live with ours. There is describing parents. Ours, possessive pronoun. No noun after it. Great job. Notice the pattern. Adjectives describe a noun right after. Pronouns stand alone and replace the noun. Keep this trick in mind and you'll spot them in no time. Want a fun challenge next? Alright champs, we are ending today's session with a cool passage. But this time, you get to be the teacher. Read the passage carefully and find all the possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. When you are done, type your answers in the comment box and keep your eyes peeled because I'll reveal the correct answers a little later. Let's go. Here's your passage. Ready, detectives? Start spotting. Drop your answers in the comments and let's see who gets them all right. Answer reveal coming soon. hope the journey through possessive nouns was filled with fun, learning, and a few aha moments because grammar isn't just rules, it's a superpower when you know how to use it. So keep those mine, yours, and theirs in check. And remember, when in doubt, nouns will show you what it's all about. Until next time at the Language Lounge, own your words, own your learning, make it yours. Now, a little rhyme to end in style. My book, your pen, their shoes, you see. Possession in grammar is easy as can be. Stick with us and you'll go far. You're a language legend, a grammar star. If you loved this video, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to drop your answers, questions, or shout outs in the comments below. Until then, bye for now. Take care, stay safe, and stay curious.